I'm gonna go ahead and open the oven back up. And put the tray back in there. Careful, because it's really hot. Just like that. Close it up, and I'm gonna leave it for a couple of more minutes, and then I'll come back and put the barbecue sauce on there. That's what it looks like right there. See, I had it on at 8 p.m. It's 8:46. So I'm gonna leave it there for a little longer, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna add the barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna have barbecue, chicken, and a potato. But I'm gonna fix the potato too. I'm gonna add some ingredients. Basically a good dinner. A great dinner, delicious dinner. I know that's right. It's real hot, guys. So I'm trying to be careful. Like carrying the camera and doing this too. Now I'm gonna uncover it, so I have to be careful because it's real hot. That's what it looks like. What do you think? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the chicken to another tray, to this one right here, this empty one. So let's take action. Actually, I like more thighs than what I do legs. These are the thighs here, and this is a leg. I really don't like legs, but I just added one there. The next step is to add the barbecue that is right there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera right on the counter. There you go. So now let's do the barbecue sauce. The brush. Just gonna spread it. Up like that. I'm gonna brush it. This is to spread it all over the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Now I'm gonna do the other side. It's gonna look delicious. I want to add a little bit of this water that is right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, not a lot. Make sure it's not dry. That barbecue is all under. Just like that, guys. The next thing, let's cover it up. And we're gonna set it back right in the oven. Just like that. Then, real hot, so be careful. And the oven is really hot, of course. Just be careful not to burn yourself. So now I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna turn off the light. It's 9:06 p.m. It's very late, guys. I'm gonna turn off the light. Just like that. I'm just gonna leave it in there for a couple of more minutes. Then I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna see how it looks afterwards. The chef. We thought we're gonna take a bite and see how it tastes, and we go from there. Okay, guys, I am about to check the dish for the chicken and barbecue. Gotta be careful. It's really hot. You see the potato still there? All lonely, but we'll get it in a minute. Now let's see how the barbecue chicken, what it looks like. Let's see. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see how it looks. And it look delicious. Real delicious. Let's try to take a bite. Really hot, guys. Let's take a bite. This is the barbecue chicken. You see the steam coming out? It's really hot. But hey, looks good. Looks delicious. Let's take a bite. Cheers. It's real good. I want more. This is really good, guys. And it's spicy. Of course, it's a spicy barbecue. Okay. It is really good. I really like it. There's some barbecue. I didn't just serve myself in a plate. Well, it does taste really good. Try this at home. Try this at home. It's so good. Look at that barbecue. Ooh. Ooh. No, that's right. 100% delicious. Try this at home. That's the chicken I was eating from. All right, guys. Next is the potato. So let's get the potato next. I don't know if it's ready or not, but we're gonna try that. We're gonna check on that. Guess so. Just leave it right there. Close the oven. That's the potato. We put the camera down. Move this out of the way. Real hot. So I gotta be careful. Just for a second. Now, get the potato. Oh well. Unwrap it. Yes, guys, it's really hot, but doing my best. This is what the potato looks like. This is what the potato looks like, so I'm gonna cut it in half. You like the potato? It's really hot though. That's why I have the fork. Let's get it ready. It's not a potato. It's Mr. Potato. Let's keep going, guys. Put it on the side.